How can business owners use Google Ads and AI to maximize their business exposure? Business owners can leverage Google Ads and AI to maximize their business exposure through several strategic approaches. Here's a detailed breakdown of how they can achieve this. 1. Google Ads strategies. These Google Ads strategies are divided into three, that is, keyword research and optimization, smart bidding, and ad personalization. A. Keyword research and optimization, AI-powered tools. Use AI-driven keyword research tools like Google's Keyword Planner or third-party tools such as Ahrefs and SEMrush to identify high-performing keywords. You can find the links in the description box. Long-tail keywords. Target long-tail keywords that are more specific and less competitive, leading to higher conversion rates. B. Smart bidding. You can use automated bidding or target CPA and ROAS. Automated bidding. Utilize Google's smart bidding strategies, which use machine learning to optimize bids for conversions or conversion value in every auction. Target CPA and ROAS. Set target cost per acquisition, or return on ad spend, to ensure you're meeting your specific business goals. C. Ad personalization. Here you can use responsive search ads and/or dynamic search ads. But what are these? Responsive search ads. Create responsive search ads that automatically test different combinations of headlines and descriptions to find the best performing versions. 2. Dynamic search ads. Use dynamic search ads to automatically generate ads based on the content of your website, ensuring relevance. Here's what can be said to summarize how keyword research and optimization tools work. Keyword research and optimization tools leverage advanced algorithms and large data sets to identify the most effective keywords for a given business or campaign. These tools analyze search volume, competition, and relevance to pinpoint keywords that potential customers are likely to use when searching for related products or services. By examining trends and historical data, they can predict which keywords will drive traffic and conversions. Additionally, many of these tools incorporate AI and machine learning to continuously refine and improve keyword suggestions, adapting to changes in search behavior and market dynamics. This allows businesses to optimize their content and ad campaigns for maximum visibility and effectiveness in search engine results. Second step, leveraging AI for ad optimization. Here we'll talk about audience targeting, ad copy and creative optimization, and predictive analytics. A. Audience targeting. In audience targeting, you can use AI audience insights and lookalike audiences. 1. AI audience insights. Use AI to analyze customer data and create detailed audience segments. Google Analytics and Google Ads provide insights into audience behavior and preferences. 2. Lookalike audiences. Implement lookalike audience strategies to reach new potential customers who resemble your existing customers. B. Ad copy and creative optimization. There are two tools you can consider. 1. AI copywriting tools. Utilize AI tools like OpenAI's GPT or Jasper to generate compelling ad copy. 2. A/B testing. Employ AI to continuously test different versions of your ads to find the most effective ones. C. In predictive analytics, you can use 1. Sales forecasting. Use AI-driven predictive analytics to forecast sales trends and adjust ad campaigns accordingly. 2. Customer lifetime value. Analyze customer data to understand lifetime value and target high-value customers more effectively. Leveraging AI for ad optimization involves using advanced algorithms and machine learning to enhance various aspects of digital advertising. AI tools can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and insights, enabling more precise audience targeting and personalized ad delivery. By automating bid adjustments and optimizing ad placements in real time, AI ensures ads reach the right audience at the optimal time, maximizing engagement and conversions. Additionally, AI can continuously test and refine ad copy and creative elements, improving performance based on real-time feedback. This dynamic, data-driven approach significantly enhances the efficiency and effectiveness of ad campaigns, leading to better ROI and business outcomes. Now let's move on to third strategy, enhancing user experience. In this strategy, we're going to look at a use of chatbots and virtual assistants. B. Personalization. A. Chatbots and virtual assistants can offer two services, that is 24/7 customer support and lead qualification. 24/7 customer support. Deploy AI-powered chatbots on your website to provide instant customer support and engage visitors. Lead qualification. Use chatbots to qualify leads and direct them to the appropriate sales funnel. B. Personalization. You can use dynamic website content and email marketing to personalize content driven to your target audience. A. Dynamic website content. Personalize website content based on user behavior and preferences, which can be identified using AI. B. Email marketing. Use AI to personalize email campaigns, recommending products based on past purchases and browsing history. To summarize, enhancing user experience through AI involves creating more personalized, engaging, and efficient interactions for customers. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants provide instant, 24/7 support, answering queries and guiding users through their purchasing journey. Personalization algorithms tailor website content and product recommendations based on individual user behavior and preferences, making the browsing experience more relevant and enjoyable. Predictive analytics anticipate customer needs, ensuring proactive service and timely offers. By integrating AI into user experience strategies, businesses can foster deeper customer satisfaction, increase loyalty, and drive higher conversion rates. Fourth strategy, analytics and performance monitoring. Here we have real-time analytics and automated reporting. Real-time analytics, Google Analytics 4. Use Google Analytics 4 for real-time data analysis and insights. It employs AI to provide predictive metrics like purchase probability and churn probability. Data Studio. Integrate with Google Data Studio to visualize data and performance metrics in customizable dashboards. B. Automated reporting. Custom reports. Set up automated reports that use AI to highlight key performance indicators and trends. Anomaly detection. Implement AI to detect anomalies in ad performance and notify you of any significant changes. Analytics and performance monitoring leverage AI to provide businesses with real-time insights and comprehensive overviews of their marketing efforts. Using tools like Google Analytics 4 and custom dashboards, businesses can track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as traffic sources, user behavior, and conversion rates. AI enhances these capabilities by detecting patterns, forecasting trends, and identifying anomalies that may indicate potential issues or opportunities. Automated reports and alerts ensure that businesses stay informed about their campaign performance, enabling data-driven decisions and timely adjustments to optimize results. This continuous monitoring and analysis are crucial for maximizing the efficiency and effectiveness of marketing strategies. Our fifth and last but not least strategy is local SEO and ads. Here we will discuss using A. Google My Business and B. Reviews and reputation management. A. Google My Business optimize listings. Ensure your Google My Business listing is fully optimized with accurate information, photos, and regular updates. Local search ads. Use local search ads to appear in Google Maps and local search results, targeting users in your geographic area. B. Reviews and reputation management. AI sentiment analysis. Use AI to analyze customer reviews and feedback to understand public sentiment and identify areas for improvement. Automated responses. Implement AI to manage and respond to customer reviews efficiently. To summarize, local SEO and ads enhance a business's visibility within a specific geographic area, leveraging tools like Google My Business to optimize local search presence. By ensuring accurate and detailed business listings, including hours, location, and customer reviews, businesses can improve their chances of appearing in local search results in Google Maps. AI-driven local search ads target potential customers in the vicinity, increasing foot traffic and local engagement. Reviews and reputation management are crucial, as positive feedback and high ratings boost credibility and attractiveness to nearby consumers. Overall, local SEO and ads are essential for businesses aiming to capture a local market, drive in-store visits, and build a strong community presence. In conclusion, by combining the power of Google Ads with advanced AI technologies, business owners can significantly enhance their marketing efforts, improve targeting accuracy, personalize customer interactions, and ultimately maximize their business exposure. Continuous learning and adaptation to the latest AI tools and Google Ads features are essential to stay competitive and achieve sustained growth. Business owners can gain knowledge about these strategies through a combination of self-education and professional assistance. Many online resources, such as tutorials, webinars, and courses from platforms like Google Skillshop, offer in-depth guidance on leveraging Google Ads and AI effectively. However, given the complexity and evolving nature of digital marketing, seeking professional help from experts or agencies can significantly enhance the implementation and optimization of these strategies. Professionals bring advanced insights, experience, and the ability to tailor approaches to specific business needs, ensuring more efficient and impactful results. Ultimately, a hybrid approach, starting with self-learning and supplementing with expert advice, can empower business owners to maximize their marketing efforts effectively.